Good morning. Today we're in the Big Island and we are mainly going to be birding today. It's a beautiful clear day, no clouds in sight. But right now our first stop is at Kaulana Manu Trail. It is a new trail. It opened in November 2020, so it's a little over 3 years old. This hike, it's really short. It's about 0.6 mile loop. It all starts with these footsteps on the ground, but there's a lot of informational signs on all the native forest birds that we will be seeing today. Look, she's a birder, guys. She has binoculars. So this trail has 25 informational signs like this all over the trail. Before you really start hiking, there is a cleaning station. Always make sure your gear is clean, brush off your shoes so there's no invasive seeds. One cool thing is we're at the Kipuka. This is formerly known as Kipuka 21, and what a Kipuka is basically lava flow around land or an island. And what makes it cool is that the plants and the species that live on the Kipuka kind of has to adapt and learn how to survive on its own because it's on its little island. I just love how you can hear all the birds. I'm excited. There's actually ohia lehus in bloom, and some of these honey creepers feed on those flowers. So hopefully we can see a bird, getting some nectar from this ohia. It splits, but you're gonna end up coming back in a loop, so we're gonna take the left fork. Pretty unbelievable. All you hear is birdsong everywhere. It could be above us. I have a lot of camera gear right now, but I know there is an overlook later on that we're gonna come across, which we'll probably use to look for birds since it's higher lookout. Olapa, known to flutter, but it's a windless day today, so. I don't know if you see it. Ah, it flew. So I saw a small yellow-green bird. Yep, it's chilling over there. Oh, it flew away. This trail is definitely very easy. It's graveled. It's not flat, but it's super doable. Just don't bring dogs here because you are in the native habitat. But yeah, it's just a beautiful trail the whole time. Oh, come on, focus, please. There's not much canopy as earlier. It's more open. This lookout also takes you to a beautiful view of Mauna Kea.
Oh my god, I saw him so clear. I go, oh my god. Yeah.
Man, there's like birds really close by, but we just can't see it. They're so tiny. Oh my god, it's full of birds. onto the cool. Kaulana Manu is a great short hike to enjoy the native plants and birds. We spent only an hour and a half, but really you can finish this loop in 10 to 15 minutes if you wish. I count it a privilege to find myself in the company of these native birds, as I'll never know if I'll ever hear their songs again. I hope you visit this tranquil resting place for birds, which translates to Kaulana Manu. Till the next one, aloha.